The government constituted Kerala State Curriculum Committee for drafting a curriculum document that will lead the higher education institutions in revamping curricula with a dualistic approach. On the one hand, we have to enhance employability, and on the other hand, we have to activize our youngsters to produce new knowledges through innovation and research. Based on this curriculum framework, we started the implementation of the 4-year undergraduate program, FYUGP, one of our most significant initiatives in reforms, guided by the unique Kerala model. The FYUGP program is not simply about adding a 4th year. It represents a fundamental change in our curriculum. The innovative implementation of this program, which aims to transform classroom teaching and evaluation, will drastically change the education sector by preparing students for a knowledge-based economy and improving their global competitiveness. We are proud that our schemes like N-1 semester and capstone courses are being adopted by national agencies. We are also in the process of drafting a new postgraduate curriculum focused on research and innovation. By the time the first batch of FYUGP graduates, I am confident they will demonstrate the program's full impact, equipped with both theoretical knowledge and practical applied skills. The positive changes are already visible. We are happy to report that students who began their degree programs outside the state have returned to Kerala in their second year, utilizing our inter-university transfer options. Similarly, hundreds of students have taken advantage of options for major changes in the major and inter-college or university transfers. This shows that change is happening and is evident right before our eyes. A long-standing issue in Kerala, that is the timely conduct of examinations and publication of results, has been resolved. Universities are now publishing results and providing mark sheets within 10 or 14 days of the final exam, a record-breaking achievement within a complex affiliation system. This is possible through projects like CAREEP, an e-governance platform that provides a unified, integrated technology solution for the administrative and academic needs of all universities and colleges. Building on this success, I must highlight our new project, K-Learn, which we believe will become another Kerala model for the nation. K-Learn addresses some of the specific concerns of the FYUGP, particularly regarding online learning. While platforms like Swayam, Coursera, and edX are valuable, they often lack alignment with our credit structures, academic calendars, and course outcomes. K-Learn will be a dedicated portal designed to develop, host, and manage credit-linked online courses specifically for our higher education system. It will collaborate with universities, institutions, approved skilling agencies, and global subject experts to create a future-ready digital learning ecosystem. A distinctive feature of K-Learn will be its provision for faculty-designed signature courses. Faculty members can create and submit course syllabi from their areas of expertise for university approval. This allows us to harness the vast potential of our teachers to deliver quality courses. We have also taken initiatives to establish 7 new centers of excellence, which will have a profound influence on the state's research culture. The Center of Excellence for Teaching, Learning and Training, and the Center of Excellence for Research Support Network have started functioning at the headquarters of Higher Education Council, and the Center of Excellence for Science, Technology and Innovation at the MG University Center, Center for Excellence for Language Networking in Malayalam University, and Center for Excellence for Gender Equity in Kaladi University. These centers of excellence, we hope, may motivate more research and innovation. Furthermore, we are running the CM Postdoctoral Fellowship, which offers the largest fellowship amount provided by any state government in the country, further supporting our research community. To enhance practical skills and employability, we are also launching a dedicated portal for internships led by Keltron with the goal of providing 1 lakh internships to our FY UGP students. Over the past decades, Kerala has seen a significant expansion of higher education. 218 new colleges, and we have introduced 2,553 new programs in the arts, science and engineering sectors alone, resulting in over 1 lakh new seats in the government, aided and self-financing sector. This is in addition to the seats created in medical, paramedical and technical fields. Our primary goal as a government is to provide the best possible education for the 12 lakh students who are currently studying within the state, as reported by AISH 2023. Student aspirations are dynamic. Last year, we saw a notable increase of over 8,000 students opting for engineering programs in the state, and admissions in polytechnic colleges are now close to 100%. Recognizing this trend, we are making necessary changes to our arts and science programs also. A very important decision was made last week. Universities will soon begin to restructure programs and courses to make them more attractive and better aligned with the demands of the job market. Programs with low enrollment will be prioritized for this restructuring.